to show you how to make blackcurrant and strawberry cordial. You will need 250 grams of blackcurrants, 250 grams of strawberries. Both the blackcurrants and the strawberries can be fresh or frozen, just whatever you have. 250 grams of caster sugar, 300 millilitres of water, and 5 tablespoons of lemon juice. Firstly, to a large saucepan, add your water and your sugar, and over a low heat mix until the sugar has dissolved. Then add your blackcurrants, your strawberry and your lemon juice, and cook over a medium heat for 8 to 10 minutes. If you want it more concentrated, then leave it longer. And then once cooked through and you've got loads of that juice released, you just want to sieve it. So I sieved mine twice, once through a regular sieve to remove as much of the large pulp as possible. And then I put it through a muslin cloth as well, just to sieve out any of the smaller bits that were missed previously. And then you want to bottle your cordial. So I have washed the bottles and then I've also sterilised them with boiling water. So I just poured boiling water in the bottle, swirled it round and then poured out. And then you just want to pour your cordial into each of the bottles and store in the fridge for up to a month. And there you have it. That's how you make blackcurrant and strawberry cordial.